Hi everyone, today I'm taking part in the ABC anti-bullying campaign here on YouTube. I have been tagged by Jeannie from Butterfly Dreams with Jeannie, and the campaign started earlier this year and was set up by Lisa, Ladybird Loves, and Squishy, who's from Say It With Squishy Crochet, and it's all about bullying. I think at least I would say the majority of adults and children have experienced some form of bullying, either at home, at school, and at work even. And especially now the internet is so prevalent all over the world, there is a lot of cyberbullying going on too. I just want to give you the Wikipedia definition for bullying, and it says the Wikipedia definition of bullying is the use of force, coercion, or threat to abuse, aggressively dominate, or intimidate. And like everybody else, we all have our own definition of bullying. I myself have experienced bullying as a child at school, all through till leaving school really. I experienced bullying, not very nice, and then I experienced bullying in my first marriage. Not much physical, but mental, and the mental abuse is just as hurtful as the physical abuse. And then of course I was bullied in work as well, which seemed to follow me around everywhere I went. I'm not going to go into details because that's private to me. And as I've got older, I kind of, the bullies who bullied me at school, in the workplace, and that they, I seriously think that the bullies who bullied suffer with bullying themselves, either at home or from other children out, playing and that. And maybe at work they experience bullying from their own spouses or partners, or within the family. And it's not only women who suffer from bullying, men do suffer as well. And it can be, you're too small, you're too tall, you're too clever, it just covers a whole range of it. And especially now internet is so prevalent everywhere that from children up to adults, cyberbullying is becoming more and more out there. I have and will have the helplines for the Good Samaritans here in Warrington, and also the National Bullying Helpline. I'll have all the links below. Mine, I was thinking about doing this and whether I wanted to go into details, and for me the bullying that I've experienced is personal to me, and it's not something that I want to share. And I think a lot of people out there don't want to share their experience. It's sometimes I sit and think, how did I get through it? And even today it still affects me today. And I don't really know what else to say, to be perfectly honest, because if I say too much I'll get too upset. So please, if you are being bullied, please seek help. There are lots of helplines out there. lots of people available to help you. It wasn't so much when I was a young child, and even in the workplace, even though I reported it, nothing was done about it, which is disgusting really in this day and age. And I think that's one of the reasons why I did decide to retire from my job, because I love my job, but I just decided enough was enough. And if I'm going to be bullied, I'm going to be bullied in my home rather than anything. It's not a laughing matter. I laugh because if I don't, I'll sit and bawl my eyes out. So please, please, please seek help. There are, you know, we have the internet. I will put links below. I'll put the suicide helpline down below, the Good Samaritans helpline, and also the National Bullying Helpline. This should be stopped. It really should be stopped. There's just no need for bullying. And I think, in my personal opinion, that it starts at home. It really does start at home. And then the bullies then take it into the schoolyard, which then it's just like a rolling cycle of how, you know, bullying goes on. And on the internet as well. Bullies, you can't see them. And I always say, if you have nothing nice to say, then don't say anything at all. There's just no need for it. And the only thing that you're doing is making yourselves out to be idiots, really. Because, you know, there's just no need for it. There isn't any need. If you don't like something that you're watching, turn it off. Move on. We're not asking you to watch us, and if you don't like what we do, as you know, in the YouTube community, then move on. Find something that you do enjoy. And I hope one day bullying will stop. Fingers crossed. But seek help. Anybody who is being bullied, please seek help. I am going to tag on, I'm just going through the list, and there's still quite a few out there, and I am going to tag Kaylin from Kay's Crochet Haven, and I'll put the link below. And thank you so much for watching. I know it's short, but I didn't want to go into too much, otherwise I'd be sitting here for an hour crying, and I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to put my point across that it needs to stop. So please, if you're a bully, seek help. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Stay safe and be kind to yourselves and others too. Bye for now.